This video demonstrates how to quickly set up the AX58101 EtherCAT motor control reference design development environment. ASIX AX58101 EtherCAT motor control reference design integrates the AX58101 EtherCAT motor control evaluation board, STMicroelectronics NUCLEO-F303RE MCU board, and the X-NUCLEO IHM08M1 BLDC motor driver expansion board, enabling designers to efficiently evaluate the motor control capabilities of the AX58101. The reference design kit also provides complete design resources and reference code, enabling designers to efficiently develop AX58101 EtherCAT SubDevice applications. It includes product datasheets, schematics, PCB layout files, design documentation, as well as software and firmware source code. Based on ST's NUCLEO-F303RE MCU board and the STM32 motor control SDK, the AX58101 EtherCAT motor control reference design leverages the complete STM32 toolchain, including MC Workbench, CubeMX, CubeIDE, and CubeProgrammer, allowing engineers to quickly begin design and validation. In addition, the kit supports the ARM Keil MDK toolchain, offering flexible options for compiling and debugging AX58101 bootloader and firmware source code. Before setting up the AX58101 EtherCAT motor control development environment, engineers must first prepare and install the required EtherCAT development tools. On the Windows-based EtherCAT main device platform, the Beckhoff TwinCAT 3xAE tool should be pre-installed to enable TwinCAT PLC software development and debugging. Next, the EtherCAT SSC tool must be downloaded and installed from the ETG official website to generate the EtherCAT slave stack source code. Before downloading, developers are required to register as a free ETG member and obtain a valid EtherCAT vendor ID issued by the ETG Association. In addition, the AX58101 reference design kit supports the STM32 CubeIDE toolchain. The STM32 CubeIDE tool can be freely downloaded from the STMicroelectronics website to support AX58101 bootloader and firmware development and debugging. The following tutorial videos demonstrate how to quickly set up the AX58101 EtherCAT motor control reference design development environment. Step 1. Learn how to use the EtherCAT SSC tool to import the SSC configuration file from the AX58101 motor control kit and generate the EtherCAT slave stack source code. Please watch below video for details. Step 2. See how to compile and program the AX58101 bootloader source code using STM32 CubeIDE tool. Watch below video for details. Step 3. Learn how to compile and program the AX58101 motor control firmware source code with STM32 CubeIDE. See below tutorial video for details. Step 4. Watch how to create a new project in TwinCAT 3 and update the AX58101 EEPROM using the ESI file. See below video for details. Step 5. Learn how to import and compile the AX58101 motor control TwinCAT PLC demo source code. Watch below video for details. Final step, see how to run the TwinCAT PLC demo application to evaluate the AX58101 EtherCAT motor control functionality. Please watch the tutorial video below for details. ASIX Electronics has outstanding engineering teams to provide customers the professional and timely technical services. Please contact ASIX Sales for more information. Thanks for watching ASIX video.